Welcome to Medellin Knitting. Today I got a good surprise while having my morning coffee. Artstiga sent in my Lantern Moon Ebony Heirloom knitting set. I also received my Lantern Moon Ebony finishing needles and my cable connectors. I'll be doing this review. Also check my channel, like and subscribe. I'll be doing the Knit Pro Carbons Elan set. I think those are about a week and a half from arriving. I'll also be doing a review on the Addy Click. These are the Rocket 3.5 lace needles. So we'll be going over this set as well. I've already started test knitting with them. But like and subscribe and catch up on all the reviews. I'll also be doing some book reviews on the Vogue Knitting, Vogue Dictionary, and a few of the reference books that I feel are very important to have in your reference library. While digital is great, you can look everything up online. Having that physical copy there that you can put on your coffee table, out on your balcony while you're having coffee, knitting, you can reference it right there. Maybe you're like, hey, I want this other technique. How's it going to look? We look in this dictionary. Wonderful things. I've also a couple different workshop books on finishing techniques, another on working in the round. So, and then one that I personally enjoy, knitting Over the Edge, Beyond the Edge series, where you can look in there for ideas to add to something that you're working on. Maybe you're working on a blanket, you want to throw a border on it. Great reference book. But I'm going to do reviews on each of those books that I recommend that every knitter should have in their repertoire, if you will. Your personal library. Living in Medellin, Colombia, knitting supplies are hard to get here. Knitting is a lot of the people knit using embroidery threads or and doing 5, 6, 7, 8 strands, knitting on size 15s for very loose knit, lightweight items, which are great. But as for buying supplies, getting needle sets, just can't do it here. The average income here is about $286 to $310 per month. So being able to afford a $150 set, half a month's wages, 10-hour day, not possible. So not a lot of demand. While there are moneyed people here that are professionals, lawyers, whatnot, even they are only maybe making $1,000 to $1,500 per month. So the price point of a good set of knitting needles is a lot for the average Colombian. The knitting shops that you can find usually are a combination shop. They are mostly sewing machines that are Chinese made or industrial sewing machines. They sell threads, they sell embroidery, they might sell a bunch of needlepoint items, needles, threads, scissors, all average quality at best. And then for yarn, they'll have acrylics, nylons, and cottons. So finding natural fibers for socks, if you want to, I love merino wool superwash. Preferred brand is Madeline Tosh, but you can't get that here in Colombia. So everything that I purchase is online. I do have a lot of online sources that I use. I use Amazon a lot. Artstiga, I used them before I came to Colombia for many knitting tools and items, and now they're on Amazon, I believe, since 2012. Can't say enough about them. I put in an order for the Lantern Moons on the 2nd of October, and they arrived yesterday on the 8th. It'll take me a day or two to do this review. I want to test knit with these. I'll do an opening, and I did already open the Addies, but I'll go through what is included in those. The Knit Pro Carbons LAN set. Once that arrives, I'll do an opening and then test knit with it. I'll try a couple different fabrics, give you the goods, the bads, what's included, and what you need to purchase separately. I actually spoke to Artstiga about the Lantern Moon items, and they said, oh, hey, they've got the finishing needles. So I ordered finishing needles. All my reviews, I buy the products myself. So getting the likes, subscribes helps, as well as using the purchase links in the description of the video. You'll find down there that I list the different sets that I'm reviewing, have reviewed, will review, as well as when I do the book reviews, I'll have links to purchase those as well. And those purchases, if you purchase through Amazon, which I found to be the cheapest place to purchase, I'll get they call it an affiliated associate program. I get a small commission. They don't upcharge. It's for referencing the sale to them. So please use those links, as it helps to keep everything here flowing so that I can provide better reviews and more reviews of different items. There will be items that I will review from Etsy as well. Those do not have an associate link. I also do have a Patreon account if you'd like to donate to the cause, if you will. But other than that, this is a good morning to have coffee and new needles. Have a great day.